Hello everyone, welcome to GSM Tips. Today I will show you a cool feature of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera. So for example, if you have a piece of paper, what you want to do is open the camera, go to settings, turn on scan documents and text. If you go in, just enable these two options, both options, auto scan and remove unwanted objects. Go back, and as soon as you bring a document in your camera, it will take a photo of it. Okay, let's see if we go into the gallery, what happens to it. It removed my finger, everything, my hand, and you have it as a proper scan, which I find it cool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.